I'm not able to live stream right now, so that's okay. I'm in a beautiful area, an hour and a half away from where I live, in a campground, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful day. It's Friday, August 11th, 2023. Look at this river. Look. You can hear in the distance the birds chirping. I went to the river before, and it's just really beautiful. I was swimming right there with my family where those people are. And I'm gonna go swimming right now. Might be the only. It's already late in the day, so it gets colder and colder. But probably lay down by, sit in that rock there and just meditate. Right now, the Lord has provided. Look how big. All you have to do is seek to sunbathe here. My own privacy. It's like my own private water hole. It's great. The river is very deep. Here it's shallow, but it's deep. When down there, it's really deep where they are. So, enjoy the river. Oh, I just love being in nature. It's just the best thing. And I'm blessed to have that opportunity to be here today. Thank God. I hope those of you who joined, who are subscribing, thank you so much. I'm trying to live stream. I hit 50 subscribers, but for whatever reason, it's taking longer than it should be. I hope you guys, I hope this video motivates you to go out there and find. You don't have to go too far to find nature, unless, of course, you live in the city. If you live in the city, then that's a different story. And even living in the city, you can probably find gardens and just beautiful stuff. But I encourage you, go out there and seek nature. I just love nature. I love the water. And it's getting hot now, so I'm going in. Enjoy, guys.